Click on search icon, then in the search bar type Task Manager. Now select Run as Administrator. On this window, click on File, select Run New Task, and then click on Browse button. Now select this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. From here just scroll down and open C System32 folder. Then just scroll down and search for cmd.exe file. Double click on it. Then check this box and click on OK. This will open command prompt window. We already have the list of commands to make it easy for you. So we need to open Google Chrome. Then open google.com. In the search bar type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. From the search results, click on this link which is from hows.tech. Now just scroll down and we need to copy these commands. So copy command number 12, go to command prompt window. Simply right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter to execute it. Then copy command number 13 and right click and paste the command, hit enter. Once done, close the command prompt window. Click on search icon and search for troubleshoot settings. Then click here to open it. On this window, click on other troubleshooters. After that, click on run from playing audio. It will try to detect the problems and to resolve it. Now follow my screen. Check this box, then click on apply. Go to advanced tab, then try to select the default format and test it. Once done, click on apply and then OK. Now close this window. Now open device manager. On this window, just expand sound, video and game controller. Then click on update drivers. Now open Windows Update and click on check for updates. This will take some time to complete the process. Once done, you need to download and install the latest version. Now you need to check this box and this one also. Then click on download and install. Again select update drivers, check this option and click on next. Select S. Once done, close this window. Again go to search bar and type here Chrome. You need to open Google Chrome web browser. Then in the search bar type Realtek audio drivers and click on this link from intel.com. Now select the latest version, scroll down and click on the download. Select path. Now extract this zip file. Click on extract. Now open this folder. Simply scroll down and double click on set a file. Select S. This will take some time to complete the process. Once done, click on next. Now check this box and then click on finish. It will automatically restart your machine, and there we go.
Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.